Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video modern, unique girls bob with bangs, haircuts, ideas, latest and stylish. You will see in this videos beautiful girls bob with bangs, haircuts, designs. So if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring you all outstanding girls bob with bangs, haircuts, designs. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos. So you will see in these videos long layers and short layers, modern bob with bangs, haircuts, design. So if you are a college girls or a business girls, this getup is look very great and very beautiful for you guys. So viewers, today you will see in these videos new all stylish modern girls bob with bangs, haircuts, designs and hair colors ideas. So if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. You will see in these videos long layers and short layers, modern bob haircuts ideas. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy all outstanding unique girls bob with bangs, haircuts, designs. So dear before you will see in this videos front, back and sided pose modern girls bob with bangs, haircuts ideas. So dear viewers, I always try to bring you all unique, different haircuts designs. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring unique, modern bob with bangs,